Hi friends, we are going to make hot neck. Let's see how to cut back. We have kept ready lining with the firmer and main fabric. We folded double and started cutting. If you want to see how to cut back with the measurement, you can follow our previous videos. You can see this hot neck is cut as per the sketch. Now we'll start stitching process. First we will add this stripe to the neckline for grip. You have to do this finishing. Make it ready, this stripe, and you have to attach this to lining. Now you attach this stripe to your lining. Now you have to attach this lining to the main fabric. This neckline we are making without fusing, so you will see the finishing in it. At center, give the little bit cut so that the lining will turn inside. Now you cover your lining with the main fabric. Do applique from all sides. Now you can see how nicely it is finished, your neckline, and that also without fusing. Now from inside also you can see this stripe is attached. Because of that it looks finished. Now stitch the dart 3.5 inch long. Your dart is ready. Now you have to attach bottom stripe. Make it ready first from one side. Now attach it to the bottom. At that point, you have to take small pleat so that it will turn easily for hemming. From right side, do the stitch line at the edge so that your stripe will fold nicely. Now you have to design it with lace and bead lace. So we'll proceed further and change the foot. We'll take the single foot to attach the bead lace. Now we'll attach shoulder first, as we are taking the lace continue from front to back. Shoulder is joined front and back. Now we'll attach this bead lace first. With proper care, you have to attach this bead lace. You can see this from both the sides. It looks nice finishing because we take extra care while attaching the lace and bead lace. Now we have finished this blouse neckline with bead lace. You can see how nicely it looks, and you can see the finishing of it. This way you can easily do neckline for any blouse. If you like this video, like us, subscribe us and share it with your friends, and wait for our next video. Thank you.